Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to recover permanently deleted Gmail accounts or how to recover permanently deleted your Google account. So first of all, go to your phone settings. After that, choose and open phone settings. In this step, you can easily recover your permanently deleted Google account or recover your permanently deleted Gmail account. So let's see. After that, scroll down. After that, choose and select Google. Click here. After that, right top corner, 3 button option, click on it. Choose and open help. After that, in this here, write and search recover deleted a Gmail account. So in this step, you can choose and select recover a recently deleted Google account. Click here. Scroll down. You can see follow the steps to recover your account. You will be asked some questions to confirm it's your account. Answer as best you can. If you are having trouble, try the tips to complete account recovery steps. So in this step, you can choose and select tips to complete account recovery steps. Click here. After you can see, go to the account recovery page. So in this you can choose and select account recovery page. Click on it. Account recovery, recover your Google account. After that, you can see email or phone. So in this here, write you recover deleted Gmail accounts or Google accounts. In this here, write. After that, choose next. Click on it. Account deleted. This account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click next to attempt to restore this account. After that, choose next. Click here. Account recovery. Enter your password. So in this here, write your recover deleted Gmail account password or recover your Google account password. In this here, you can write or type. After that, choose and select next. Click here. After that, you can see enter last password. So in this here, write or type your recover Gmail account or Google account last password. After that, choose and select next. Click on it. Success, you are signed in now. You entered your current password, so you can continue to your Google account. You can still change your password if you want. After, you can see two options, change password or continue. In this one, you can choose and select your need option. I can choose continue, and in this way you can easily recover your permanently deleted Gmail accounts or recover your permanently deleted Google account or recover your permanently deleted email account. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.